Hey y'all, this is Gail. Oh, all right, so you just got a little taste of what we're going to do in just a moment. So I'm going to teach you the chorus and the verse that goes to this song, I Feel Lucky, by Mary Chapin Carpenter. Now my friend, Sasha Alexander, who is also a chair dance enthusiast, she choreographed this song for me. So it's got a little Cajun country feel to it. I mean, if you got Dwight Yoakam in there and Lyle Lovett, you know it's got a little bit of country feeling to it, yeah? So again, I love this song, and I hope you enjoy it too. So what I'm going to do is go back to the chair and teach that chorus and the verse, and then I'll come back up and turn on the music, and we'll do the dance together, okay? All right, so I'm going to go back to the chair. So sitting up nice and tall away from the back of the chair. So there's a beginning part where we just kind of pump our arms up and down, just march back and forth. That's the part that doesn't have any words. We kind of do that at the beginning and the end. It's kind of like a little freestyle bicep curl going on here. And then in the chorus, let me read to you the chorus. I feel lucky, yeah. I feel lucky, oh yeah. And then there's like a verse, a line in there that changes every time we do the chorus. So the first one is, no Professor Doom's gonna stand in my way. I feel lucky today. So how our dance movements are going to be is, it's called the sprinkler, where we bring our arms out to the side and then we bring them down and then we take them over to the other side and bring them down. So here's how it goes for the chorus, okay? I feel lucky, and a lay can go out or stay in the center. And you bring it to the center. I feel lucky, yeah. And then we do a slow step out. It's called a V step. No Professor Doom's gonna stand in my way. Fists, I feel lucky today. Okay, so I'm gonna do that again. I feel lucky, down. Oh yeah. I feel lucky, yeah. No Professor Doom's gonna stand in my way. I feel lucky today. I hope I wasn't too out of tune on that. Well, who cares, right? And then let's go on to the verse, right? So the verses, this is the steps for the verse movements. We're going to step out together, in together, and then B step, in. Oh my gosh, that's complicated. No, it's not. March out, march in, out, in, march out, march in, out, in. Last time, march out, march in, out, in. And then we do a slow step, and we sneak the feet in, hands at the chest, and then we point up to the sky, and then we shake our finger. All right, so I'm just going to go over that again. So step, out, in, step out, together, in, together, out, in, step together, back in, out, in, step, out, in, slow, bring it in, and then shake that finger up and shake it down. And there's a little freestyle, little guitar movement in there. And then we're, at the end, we're marching again. We'll do a little piano playing also. So you ready? I know I am. Y'all can sing along with me too, okay? Well, I won't be able to hear you, but I'm just going to imagine that you are. So again, this is Gail with Chair Yoga Dance. I hope you enjoy this. Hey, Lisa at the Mansions. Just want to say shout out to y'all. Thanks for coming and doing the class with me today. Music. Let's see if I can get it ready. And then I have to push play, right? Okay, here we go. Woo! So first is that marching. You ready? Here we go. Woo! All right, step out. Out, in, step. Other side.
Opened up the page.
Woo! Out, in.
It only took a minute for my finger.
Very good.
The dose of destiny.
Now here comes that slow step.
My eyes just about popped out of my head. It said the stars are stacked against you. Girl, get back in bed.
Here we go. Sprinkler. I feel lucky. Oh yeah.
Professor Doom gonna stand in my way.
I feel lucky today. Remember this? All right, out. Here we
Well, I
go.
strolled down to the corner, gave my numbers to the clerk.
Again, step
Cops are living
together.
so I
Out,
called and said
out,
to
in,
her, I
in.
bought a pack of Camels, a burrito,
And a bark.
crossed against the light, made a beeline for
Now
the
slow.
The sky began to thunder, wind began to moan. I heard a voice above me saying,
Girl, you better get back home.
But
Here we
I
go.
feel
Out
lucky.
and down.
Oh, I feel lucky.
Oh, yeah. Now slow.
Tropical depression gonna steal my sun away. I feel lucky today.
Play that guitar. Little side to side here. Upside. All right. Last verse. Here we go.
About 11 million later, I was sitting at the bar. I bought the house of Dove
Oh, yeah.
and the waitress a new car. Dwight Yoakam's in the corner, trying to catch my eye. Lyle Lovett right
Uh-oh.
beside me,
Lyle.
with his hand upon my thigh. Oh, love the story. It's simple, but it's true. Hey, the stars might lie, but the numbers never do.
Here we go.
I feel
Now.
lucky. Oh, I feel lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Dwight.
Hey, Lyle. Boys, you don't have to fight. Hot dog. I feel lucky tonight. Here we go.
I feel lucky, yeah.
Slow.
Think I flip a coin, I'm a winner either way. I feel lucky today.
Here we go. Woo! Oh, yeah. Do what you can. Uh-oh, piano playing. Coming up right here. Here we go. Woo! Get it going. Wind it up. Boom. Woo! All right. Thank you for doing I Feel Lucky, Mary Chapin Carpenter. I hope you enjoyed that. Join me for my next Cherry-Yoga dance. And give me a thumbs up. Make a little comment. Appreciate all the love and feedback. And I will see you next time. This is Gail, Cherry-Yoga Dance. Bye, y'all.